Hello everybody, Chris Hale here, founder of Profit Squirrel, coming to you again with another Profit Squirrel video. Today we are going to be answering the 5 common questions that newbies ask. People that are brand new to Profit Squirrel, people that are brand new to match betting. We tend to hear people wondering the same things, asking the same questions. So today I'm going to be covering all 5 of those, giving you the answers to the questions that you're asking. Before I get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, hit the bell to get the notifications, and you'll never miss out on any of the latest news from Profit Squirrel. If you're interested in making money online, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with us. So let's get started. Question number 1 is, how much money do I need to get started? And this is one that we hear all the time. Now, signing up to Profit Squirrel and getting access to the initial offers is absolutely free, but with match betting, you're placing 2 bets on a sporting event. You're placing 1 bet with a bookmaker and you're placing another bet with a betting exchange. And you do need a little bit of money to place these bets. However, remember that you get that money back plus your profit when the bet is completed. So we're only temporarily using this amount of money. It's what we call our float or our bank. And I would say that to complete the initial offer, I would recommend that you have about £30 free to go ahead and float that offer. That £30 will ensure that you can complete all of the steps required and that you can do so at decent odds, which will mean that the first offer will go ahead and unlock a nice bit of profit for you. You can start with less, but if you're going to start with less money, then you're going to make a few pounds fewer in profits. So I would say, how much do I need to get started? Budget £30 and you'll be absolutely fine. Newbie question number 2 is, where do I begin? Well, you begin by watching the first video. Now, that'll be in the welcome area or welcome offers area of your account, and you're taken to this when you first sign up. But to get to it again, just log in, click welcome offers on the left here, you'll click sports offers, and then you'll be taken to this screen here, what we call the Academy. These are all of the welcome offers that you can follow through. There's loads and loads of these, and basically each one of them will unlock a profit for you. To get started, simply start with the first offer at the top of this list. Currently this is Ladbrokes, but sometimes it does get switched around a little bit. You may see a different offer at the top there, but it doesn't matter. They're all exactly the same in terms of the method that you use. And you'll click the link, you'll go into it, and then you'll watch this initial video here. There's a nice summary section below which sort of sums the steps up in a really shorthand manner. And then of course the written instructions below, make sure you read them. They can just be really useful to give you the tips. But to start with, watch the video, understand it, follow along, do it yourself, and you'll be making your first profit in no time. When you start, make sure you click the offer as mark in progress. This is just helpful to keep track of everything that you're doing. And then when you've completed it, you click mark as complete. When you then go back into the list of sports offers, you'll see we've got these ones, mark as complete, mark as complete. These are ones that have been completed. And you also get a nice little graphic up here letting you know how many of the offers you have completed. So in this account, 15 have been completed. There's 113 more to complete. Any issues with this, get into our Facebook members group. There's a link here, join our new private members group. That link will take you to the Facebook group, which is an amazing resource. You should be in there. Or reach out to Profit Squirrel directly. The contact us details are on the left-hand side of the screen here. Hit menu, hit contact, and you'll get all the details you need to reach out to us at the team directly. We'll help you, we'll guide you through anything that you need help with. The third common question that we get from newbies is, how do I make £500 a month? It's an amount that is thrown around by the match betting community, and the reason that is because it's an achievable amount based on the amount of time that people normally have to put into match betting. So really simply, the answer is you can make £500 a month once you have a decent bankroll or float to actually complete multiple offers at the same time and to complete offers with higher odds. So that wants to be your first goal, is to build up your bank balance. How do you do that? You do it by completing these welcome offers, following them through. When we start you off with these offers, we give you ones that have very low requirements. Maybe you'll bet £5 or £10 and you'll get £20. And this makes it nice and easy to start with. And then as you go through this list, you'll see there's some others where you can really maximize them if you have a bit more to place a match bet with. For example, bet £100, get £100. By completing most of these welcome offers, I'd say you'll easily make about £600 to £700 in profit. And then if you want to, what you can do is you can use that £500-600 to carry on with the match betting offers. We have ones in loads of different categories. We have casino offers, we have what we call advanced offers, which are a bit more, a few more steps often, but they're not that hard once you get used to them. And we of course have our daily offers section as well. Once you have that bank balance of sort of £500 to do your match betting with, you're going to be able to make that £500 a month level, putting a bit of time in. How much time? I would say about half an hour to an hour a day is the ideal amount to make about £500 to £600 a month. And then if you can do a little bit more at weekends rather than during the week, because the weekends are where some of the best offers are. So you might not do something every day during the week, but on the weekend, maybe in the morning, you do a few hours on the Saturday or on the Sunday as well. So it's up to you, of course, how much time you put into it. But the short answer is build up your bank and then budget about an hour a day, 7 hours a week, to make that £500 a month. In terms of what offers you complete to do that, well, when you're logged in, check out one of our coaching guides that will tell you how to make £500 a month, what the strategy is for that. You'll notice that's one of the little squirrel icons here, and it will say coaching guide. If you can't track that down, let us know, or let us know in the forum or Facebook group, and someone will send you a link directly to that. And you'll basically be completing those offers, you'll be completing the risk-free casino offers, and also the daily offers as well. So those are the areas in which you're looking, and those will be your bread and butter for actually making that monthly income. Newbie question number 4 is, I don't understand how it works, and it seems far too good to be true. And to be honest, this is exactly what I thought when I started match betting myself. Someone tells you that there's a way to make money online in a way that's basically risk-free. If you follow the steps correctly, you must, of course, follow all the steps. And if you do that, then you know what the outcome will be beforehand. Sounds a bit too good to be true, but I think often people think this when they don't fully understand how it works. Once you've done a few offers, you can see for yourself, yeah, I get how this works. And oh yeah, I actually did make a profit, which is awesome. But I get also that some people don't actually want to do that initially. They want to really understand all the details beforehand. So if that's you, I've actually done a video on this before. It's called The Maths of Match Betting, and it basically explains in a really simple way how match betting works and exactly where your profit is coming from. What I'm going to do is put a link to that in the comments below this video, and you can go and watch that short explainer if you really want to understand exactly what match betting is and how it works and how your profit is going to line up, how you're actually going to get a profit back from the steps that you complete. So if that's you thinking this is too good to be true, how does this work? Check out that link in the video below, and of course ask us any questions anytime on any of the concepts that you come across. The 5th and final question that we often get from newbies is, I already have Bookmaker accounts, can I still do this? The answer is absolutely yes, you can. Because firstly, you probably don't have all of the Bookmaker accounts that we have listed here. There are new bookmakers coming out all the time online, and we have a huge comprehensive list of the offers here. So you can see currently that we've got 113 up here, and that is being updated and changed all the time. So unless you have hundreds of Bookmaker accounts, we probably have some that you're not signed up to yet. And you'll find all of those by going through the welcome offers and some of the more random ones that you may not come across in your day-to-day searches, or just when you see Bookmaker adverts and things like that. Additionally to that, we have our daily offer section. This is something that our team works hard to update every single day, and these are the ongoing offers for people that have Bookmaker accounts. And as I mentioned before, when you're doing your monthly match betting, when you're wanting to make an income from it, this is your bread and butter, this area. This is where you really get a lot of profits and get a lot of stuff done. There's loads of daily offers here, and each one you can make a profit from. We categorize them into different sports and different areas, so it's super easy to find what you're going for. And then also we have a nice little valid until on the right hand side, which is just a nice little reference. Lets you know how long you've got to do that offer. So some of these, you can see they don't expire until the end of December. That's a few months away. But some of them, maybe they expire later today or tomorrow. The good news is that once an offer has expired, it will automatically be removed from the daily offers section. So if it's here, it's probably going to be valid. You can probably go ahead and do it. But sometimes that's useful for people who like to plan out how they're going to complete all of their offers. So I really hope that video has been useful for you. If you're a new member to match betting, the chances are that you will have had at least one of those questions come through your mind, and I hope I've gone some way to answering it for you. Be sure to check out any of the links that I drop below if you want to get a bit more information. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like. It means so much to us, every like that we get. And of course, I will see you very soon in another Profit Squirrel video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.